like a glare on my glasses, and like there's nothing I can do about that. So, hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me. They're going a little YouTube greet, and I hate doing that. Like, I gotta introduce myself, but dang, I sound like everybody else. So hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Daemiah, and I'm coming back with another addition to my brow series. I'm going to show y'all these $3.99 pencils that I got. I haven't used them, so we about to see how this gonna work together. These are the Wet n Wild micro brow pencils, and they only $3.99, so I got every color because I do other people's makeup, and if it works, I'd rather not have to order anymore. And if they don't, well, they was $3.99. It's okay. So yeah, the colors I got are, should I say them in water? Let me put them in water. So you got soft brown, brunette, ash brown, and deep brown. So I'm probably gonna use brunette or deep brown. Okay, y'all. So yeah, girl, my brows look good. Well, be the girl, this might be my favorite pencil. Y'all know I love my LA girl. Hold on, can you see me? Oh, I'm going too far. Yeah, y'all. He's being a big old baby. Say hi. Okay. Y'all, my brows look good. They do. Girl, this pencil only $3.99. This is my favorite pencil now, probably. I see a line. I don't know. That's just me. But, y'all, I like this pencil. For $3.99? And they got 3 other colors, honey, so don't worry if this not your color. They got other colors for you. But for $3.99, girl, because the LA girl is $5.99. And this pencil bomb. I think I like it better. It's the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. It look like this. I know they sell Wet n Wild and stuff in the store, like Walmart and stuff, but I've never seen this pencil in the store. I have to get it online. So if you don't see it, that's where you're going to get it, $3.99. Girl, and go ahead and get you one of these small concealer brushes, because they only 99 cents, girl. These are good, girl. You on a budget? Stop spending your money on stuff you can't afford. Baby, I can afford some of these, but clearly we don't have to buy it. Get you some of these. $3.99, girl, you ain't got nothing to lose. Like literally, $3.99. You can't even get a combo meal for $3.99. You might as well get one. And come with the spoolie on the end. Do outside it, girl. Get you one of these. Okay, you ready? Okay, there you go. Don't be licking my face now. I gotta do my makeup. Don't be licking my face. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, go back there. Okay, y'all. So thanks for tuning in. If I find anything else, I'll let y'all know. But this one might be it. All the ones I've done, this is the one I like the most. So I showed y'all LA Girl. LA Girl is really good. Don't get me wrong. LA Girl is bomb. But this is $3.99. LA Girl is $5.99 at $2.99 handle shipping. Not even. Girl, get you some of these. I'm in the color brunette. Okay, buddy. Buddy, you sleepy? You're such a big old baby. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go take Buddy to the party. And then we'll see y'all next video, okay? Say bye. Stop licking my face. I'm moisturizer. Okay, love you.